What if I told you that you're attracting poverty every single day without even realizing it? That every thought of "I don't have money," every complaint about bills, every time you look at your bank account and feel that knot in your stomach, you're literally programming the universe to keep you broke. Sounds crazy, right? But hold on, because I'm about to prove to you it's not. The law of attraction isn't magic. It's not cheap positive thinking. It's a real force that's shaping your financial reality right now. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to reprogram your mind to attract real abundance. Let's go. First, let's destroy a lie you've been taught your whole life. That money is hard to get, that you need to grind hard, suffer, sacrifice yourself to have anything. This belief is so ingrained in our culture that we don't even question it. But look, if money was really that hard, how come there are so many rich people out there? How come some people seem to attract opportunities out of nowhere while others work twice as hard and stay in the same place? The answer is vibrational frequency. I know, sounds like quantum coach talk, but stay with me. Everything in the universe is energy vibrating at different frequencies. You, me, the phone you're holding right now, money, everything. And the law of attraction is pretty simple. You attract into your life whatever is on the same frequency as you. If you're living and vibrating on the frequency of scarcity, fear, and lack, guess what you're going to attract? Exactly that. More scarcity. Now think about this. When you look at your bank statement and think, "I'm screwed, this ain't gonna work," what's the feeling that comes up? Anxiety, desperation, tightness in your chest, right? That feeling is a vibration. And when you're vibrating at this frequency of lack, you can't see opportunities. You can't make good decisions. You literally block abundance from entering your life. But there's a secret that rich people know and nobody tells you. They don't wait for money to show up to feel abundant. They feel abundant first, and then the money shows up. Seems backwards, but that's exactly how it works. You need to vibrate at the frequency of abundance before it manifests physically. Let me give you a practical example. Imagine two people in the same financial situation, both with $1,000 in their account. The first one wakes up every day thinking, "I only have $1,000. That's not going to cut it. I'm screwed." The second one wakes up thinking, "I have $1,000. That's a start. I'm going to make this money work for me. Opportunities are going to show up." Which one do you think is going to attract more money? The second one, obviously, because they're vibrating gratitude, possibility, abundance. And look, if you're digging this content, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I'm about to give you the most powerful techniques to put this into practice. Now let's get to what matters. How do you actually put the law of attraction to work in favor of your abundance? First thing, you need to clean your mind of all the garbage they put in there. Those phrases you've heard your whole life. Money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people only get rich by exploiting others. Money doesn't bring happiness. You gotta choose between being rich or being happy. All of that is mental trash that's sabotaging you. The truth is, that money is neutral. It's not good or bad. It's an amplifier. If you're a good person, money will amplify the good you can do. If you're a bad person, it'll amplify that too. But the idea that money is dirty or that wanting to be rich is wrong, that's something they invented to keep you in your place. Second thing, you need to start acting as if abundance is already yours. No, I'm not telling you to go spend money you don't have. I'm talking about attitude, about energy. When you go to the store, do you pick the cheapest product because you can't afford it? Or do you choose what you really want within your budget, but with the energy of abundance? See the difference? An abundant person makes conscious choices, not ones driven by fear. You know that visualization thing? It works, but not the way you think. There's no point in sitting there, closing your eyes and imagining $1 million falling from the sky. The universe isn't a genie in a bottle. Visualization works because it reprograms your brain to see opportunities that are already around you, but that you weren't seeing. When you visualize your abundant life, with details, feeling the emotions of having already achieved it, your brain doesn't differentiate imagination from reality. It starts looking in the real world for ways to make that true. You start noticing business opportunities, ideas pop up out of nowhere. The right people cross your path. This isn't magic, it's neuroscience. But there's a crucial point people always forget: action. The law of attraction doesn't work with just thinking. You need to act aligned with the frequency you want to attract. If you want abundance, you need to make decisions like an abundant person. You need to invest in yourself, in knowledge, in skills. You need to seek opportunities, create value, serve people. The universe responds to inspired action. That insight you had about a business, that idea that came out of nowhere, that urge to message someone, that's the universe showing you the way. But if you don't act, the energy stagnates. And there's something else super important: gratitude. You can't attract more if you're not grateful for what you already have. This isn't motivational speech, it's quantum physics. When you feel gratitude, you emit one of the highest frequencies that exist. And at that frequency, you're a magnet for good things. Every day, before bed, list 3 things you're grateful for. And it doesn't have to be anything huge. It can be the food you ate, the bed you're about to lay in, the clean water you drank. The more you train gratitude, the more you realize you're already living in an abundance you weren't seeing. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: the money you already have. How do you treat it? Do you toss your wallet around carelessly, keep your bills crumpled, complain when you need to pay a bill? Or do you treat your money with respect, organize it, give thanks when it leaves? Because you know it's being exchanged for value? The energy you put into your relationship with money matters. If you treat money as something bad, scarce, difficult, it's going to behave that way in your life. Now, if you treat it with respect, gratitude, confidence that there'll always be more, it flows more easily. Here's a powerful technique. Every time you spend money, instead of thinking, "There goes my money," think, "This money is circulating and will come back to me multiplied." Sounds silly, but this changes your vibration about the act of spending. You stop feeling loss and start feeling circulation, flow, abundance. And since you're here, enjoying this top-notch content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Let's keep going. Another thing that blocks abundance is judgment. When you see someone rich and think, "They must have stolen it," or "They must be dishonest," you're creating an unconscious association that wealth is bad. And if wealth is bad, your subconscious will sabotage any attempt you make to get rich because it's protecting you from becoming a bad person. You need to clear these judgments. When you see someone prosperous, instead of criticizing, celebrate. Think, "That's amazing. If they did it, I can too." This completely changes your energy. You go from envy and scarcity to abundance and possibility. There's also the issue of worthiness. Deep down, do you believe you deserve to be rich? Or is there a little voice inside saying you're not good enough, smart enough, hardworking enough? That little voice is your biggest enemy, and it's lying. You deserve abundance simply for existing. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. The universe is abundant by nature. Look at nature. Billions of trees, trillions of leaves, infinite stars. Scarcity is an illusion. Abundance is the natural state of things, and you're part of that. So how do you reprogram this? Affirmations. Every day, morning and night, you repeat abundance affirmations. I am a magnet for money. Money flows to me easily. I deserve abundance. Opportunities show up for me every day. Seems too simple to work, but your subconscious is programmed by repetition. If you repeat something enough, it becomes a belief, and belief becomes reality. So, summing it all up, the law of attraction for abundance isn't about sitting around imagining money. It's about changing your vibrational frequency, clearing your limiting beliefs, acting with the energy of someone who's already abundant, practicing gratitude every day, and taking inspired action. You're not going to get rich overnight just by thinking pretty thoughts, but you're going to start attracting opportunities, ideas, people, and situations that will lead you to abundance. And most importantly, You're going to start feeling abundant now, not 10 years from now when you have $1 million in the bank. True abundance is a state of mind. It's waking up in the morning and feeling grateful, confident, at peace. It's making decisions without fear. It's knowing deep down that you're good, that you'll always have enough, that the universe has your back. And here's my challenge for you. Starting today, for 7 days, you're going to do 3 things. First, every morning, before you touch your phone, you're going to list 3 things you're grateful for. Second, you're going to repeat your abundance affirmations at least 10 times. Third, whenever you spend money, you're going to thank it for being there to exchange for value. Do this for 7 days and come back here in the comments to tell me what changed in your life. I bet you're going to be surprised. And look, if you want to go deeper into this, I've got other videos here on the channel about abundance mindset, mental reprogramming, creative visualization. Check out the playlist. And go ahead and drop that, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content. Share this video with that friend who needs this abundance energy in their life. Comment below which part of the video impacted you the most. Remember, you're not here by accident. The fact that you made it to the end of this video already shows you're ready for change. The universe is already conspiring in favor of your abundance. Now, you just need to align your energy with it and let the magic happen. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next video. And may abundance be your reality from now on.